Mammy, why is Grandad wearing a crash helmet?
It's one of Willie's products we had to test.
Oh.
We had a bit of fun with it though, didn't we, Grandad?
No.
Wait, you see this, Rory. Sing, Grandad, sing the song for Rory.
No.
Come on, Rory, press play on that. Wait, this is fantastic. It's a cowboy song. Come on, Grandad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No cowboy would ride out one dark and windy day.
I don't know how Grandad puts up with you.
He loves the attention, don't you, Grandad?